What is up, you stud muffins? Welcome back to Tech Bits. And today, for your tech news, I have Apple Watch Series 7. All there is to know about Apple's next generation. This report comes to you from CGR, and what they're showing on here with the design, the specs, Apple Watch Series design, healthcare tracking, and price and availability. I currently have the Series 5. I was gonna upgrade to the Series 6, but I decided not to. I actually bought it from Amazon. When I compared it to the Series 5 and the Series 6, I decided not to upgrade. I really wanted the blue color, but there wasn't really that much of an upgrade from the 5 to the 6. The Series 7 does look like it's gonna be an actual change. They're gonna have a flat edge design with smaller bezels. The rumor is there's going to be a new lamination technique that allows the screen to be closer, possibly making the screen brighter and or allowing for a bigger battery to be fit on there. Another big rumor that's coming in, very helpful for the people that have diabetes, blood glucose and blood pressure monitoring system. Even though it's still just a rumor, some websites say it will be included on the Series 7. Some say that it won't be ready for debut, but possibly will be baked into the Watch OS, but maybe it will be released down the road with an update. Apple Watch reportedly being tested with blood pressure detection, but features won't be included due to inaccuracy. The tipster claims blood pressure detection isn't going to be part of the Apple Watch family since it's very inaccurate at this stage. That goes what I was saying earlier, that the rumor is that it might not be launched with it as well. If we go back to how it looks like, I really like the design, and they're gonna following how iPhone 11 Pro and 12 and possibly the iPhone 13 with the more squared off design. And one of the things that I'm looking forward to as far as the health tracking is the blood pressure. That's going to be very helpful for people with high blood pressure to be able to check their blood pressure. You pair that up with the electrocardiogram, it's definitely going to be something that everyone with high blood pressure is going to want. Lastly, what they go over is the price and availability. So Apple normally launches, or they do a press release in September. Last year was a little wacky, they did it in October, but generally they'll announce new products in September and they'll release them towards the end of September. So it's expected, or the rumor is, the price is it's gonna stay the same. It's basically gonna be $399 for the 40 millimeter and $429 for the 44 millimeter. Like I said, I'm a big fan of watches. I have here the first Moto 360. This was a great watch, even though basically it's unusable now. I can basically only use it to tell time now. And I got the Moto 360 version 3 as well. But generally I'll only use my Apple Watch Series 5 all the time. What I really like about this, always on display. Thanks for tuning in today. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Are you looking forward for the Series 7 when it comes out? I am. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day, okay? Take it easy.